Hello friends, this is Arun and welcome in my YouTube channel of Lightroom and Photoshop. So today we will learn about the cinematic look and you can say the Hollywood style pictures. So how to get this type of result from the Lightroom, and this is the image that is the final result from the adjustment of the Lightroom. And earlier this image was this is the original image that I have used with the Lightroom adjustment, and this is the effect that I have got from the Lightroom adjustment after applying the effect to this photo. So let's see friends how I get this effect, and this is very simple in Lightroom instead of Photoshop. This type of effect in Photoshop it is a little bit difficult rather than the Lightroom. In Lightroom this is very easy. So this is the original image. I am in the develop module of Lightroom and I am in the full screen mode. You just simply press twice F button on the keyboard and you will get the full screen for Lightroom. So I will start from the little bit of I want to decrease little bit of saturation because the saturation is very high in this image. So I will decrease this saturation up to -26. I think that is better. And in this area the area is more red rather than the orange shade. So there is a hue button on the red, so I will move this button to the right to get the orange effect from this image. So this is orange effect. If you move the slider to the left side you will get more red and this magenta shade. So I want orange shade, so I will move the slider to the right side about 47. Then I want some local adjustments, like I want to control the highlights in this area. So I will set the value of this highlights up to -29, and I want to boost little bit of saturation about 50. I think this area was clipped by the dark black part. Now this is highlighted, this area is illuminated. So I want contrast, that is 29. Then little bit of -10 exposure. Let's see if I increase. I think +10 is better for this image. I want clarity -18. You can see there is a lot of noise in this image. So how I can remove this noise? So go to the detail panel. This is your detail panel, and this is the zoomed, or you can say the 1:1 ratio zoom in this part. So I will set it value to 40 and color value to 50. It takes time to apply this effect in the image, so it is taking a little bit of time. So I have set the value of noise up to color noise up to 50, and this is 40 noise reduction. Now I want boost the sharpness of this image, so increase the sharpness up to 82. Then I will mask. If you know about the Photoshop masking, it is very similar to that. I will press the Alt key on the keyboard, then I will move the slider to the right side. The area that is black, that is without sharpening, and the area that is white, that is with sharpening, or you can say the effect of this on this image. So that is the final adjustment that I want from the Lightroom. And the final step is that I want that split toning like cinematic look, or you can say the Hollywood style look. So it is I will tell you the very easy method for this. So you just simply press Alt key on the keyboard and move the slider as per the desired color you want, and later you can set the saturation of this color. So I want some orange shade, so I will get around 47, that is very orange, and then I will increase the saturation for this orange up to 38. I think 38 is very good. You can see the effect. This is before and this is after. This is only for the split toning, this button on and off. Then I will set the hue and saturation for shadows simply, and same, you press Alt key on the keyboard and set the desired color for shadows. I want some 154 like cyan green shade. Then you can boost the saturation up to 30, up to 32. So this is the final result that I have got from the Lightroom, and you can see the image before. So friends, you can check before and after for this image, and this is the original image that I have used, and this is the final result that I have got from the Lightroom. So this is very easy in the Lightroom rather than the Photoshop, I think. And I hope you have liked this video, and keep in touch with me on Facebook, YouTube, as well as on the Gmail account. Thank you friends for watching this video.